What's up, guys? Today is going to be a little bit of a twofer. First, I'm going to show you what's inside of here, and spoiler, it is not Nature's Valley. A little bit of a mail call, so I'll open that up, show you what's inside of there, and then we're going to go over a little bit of 45 ACP. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and slice this box open right down here. Open her on up. There we go. Material. There it is. Nothing else. Alright. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this open. And what do we have? Drum roll. Nice. This is my second World War I two-tone 1911 magazine. Hell yeah. So the 45 ACP, which stands for Automatic Colt Pistol, or just simply the 45 Auto, it was designed by John Moses Browning, which you guys should know, who is the grandfather of all amazing firearms, or Gun Jesus. He designed this in 1904, and after some pretty strenuous military testing, they accepted it, thought it was, did enough damage, and it was really designed. They adopted it into the military specifically for Colt's M1911 pistol. They just wanted something a little bit more powerful than the 38 long Colt. He originally designed it to be used with the Colt semi-automatic pistol, but then, like I said, in 1911 they designated that to be the M1911, and they realized that handgun with this round was what they were looking for, so they went ahead and adopted it. So this is my little collection of World War I dated 45 ACP. This guy here, it is an empty box, but you can see pistol ball cartridge, caliber 45, model of 1911, for the automatic pistol, caliber 45, model of 1911. It's got the muzzle velocity there. This one, it doesn't have the date on the box. It just says Class 47, Division 1, DRG 5. This guy, I received, only had a few rounds in it. I did not open it, so I put that in my M1917 display, which I'll show you. This guy is my only technically unopened box. This one does say Hercules Bullseye Powder Lot Number 6 of 1917, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Class 47, Division 1, DWG 5. I say technically unopened because even though the side seals aren't broken, the front is, coming up. They are all head stamped 1917, which I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I just don't want to. There you go, 17. I just don't want to pull it up too much. And now this one, I don't take out much. I'm just taking it out to show you guys because, unfortunately, the bottom is really starting to give out on this. This thing is really fragile, really beat up. So I don't really take it out of the display cabinet very often, but I'll make an exception for y'all. Then that one I will not fully open or remove any rounds. That's going to stay just how it is. This one here is the last round out of this box here. This one is head stamped 18. If I can get that to focus. Rem UMC 18. So that one I just kind of keep. This is the last round I have of that. And this guy I got as a full opened box. You can see here, this one, it's got the muzzle velocity here. Again, it's got the Bullseye Powder, Army Lot Number 25 of 1917. And so this one was already open, so I actually took 7 of the rounds and put it in the World War I 1911 magazine I already have. And then I put 6 of the rounds to finish up my 1917 display. And then these last 7 rounds are going to go in this new well, new to me, 1911 magazine that I just opened up. So I'm going to go ahead and load that right now. Surprisingly, this is super easy to load compared to a lot of modern magazines like the Glock magazine, but only having 7 rounds helps out a lot. I'm going to put this last round with the stamp of 18 facing up. So now I've officially got 2 of the two-tone World War I era 1911 magazines, both loaded with original 1918 45 ACP, and it is going to go in this magazine pouch right here that I showed you in my last video. That is the cartridge belt with the 1911 holster. So now I've completed that. I actually ended up finding that second magazine. I kept talking about how expensive they were, and I found that one for a really good deal on eBay. So I lucked out on that for sure. So that is now the complete set. And then over here we have the M1917 that I was talking about. You got each one of these is all original World War I dated ammunition. All Remington UMC 18 for those top ones. Remington UMC 18. A little bit difficult to do this one-handed. These ones are out of that second box I showed you. So it's not the Remington UMC, but they are head stamped 18. It's a little bit more difficult to do that one-handed. There we go. So that is a complete 3 cylinders worth of 45 ACP in an original long 1918 M1917 pouch. So that also is a complete setup for the M1917 revolver. So that is my little collection of World War I era 45 ACP and 1911 magazines fully loaded, and the M1917 cartridge belt there. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, be good.